Hey, America! Are you ready for whatever 2025 throws your way? From wildfires in California to blizzards in the Midwest, life in the US can get unpredictable fast. That's why prepping isn't just for doomsday folks, it's for anyone who wants to stay safe and smart. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 must-know prepping tips tailored for every American in 2025. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Number 1. Build a 72-hour emergency kit. Disasters like hurricanes or power outages can strike anywhere, think Texas grid fails or East Coast storms. FEMA says you need at least 3 days' worth of supplies, so start with the basics: water, 1 gallon per person per day, non-perishable food like peanut butter or canned goods, a flashlight with extra batteries, and a first aid kit. Stash it in a backpack and keep it somewhere easy to grab, like your car or closet. Pro tip: add a few bucks in cash, ATMs don't work when the power's out. Number 2. Master your water game. Clean water's a big deal when pipes freeze in Minnesota or floods hit Florida. Stock up on water purifiers, those little tablets or a portable filter like a Life straw work wonders. You can find them cheap online or at any camping store. Bonus: learn where your local water sources are, rivers, lakes, even rainwater if you're in a pinch. In 2025, with drought risks out west, this could be a lifesaver. Number 3. Get a power backup plan. Remember those rolling blackouts? Yeah, they're not going away. Grab a solar charger or a small power bank, something to keep your phone alive for emergency calls or updates. You don't need a fancy generator, even a $20 solar panel from a discount store can charge your essentials. Test it out before you need it, and keep it charged up. In a country where storms knock out power from coast to coast, this is non-negotiable. Number 4. Know your evacuation routes. Whether it's wildfires in Oregon or tornadoes in Oklahoma, you've got to know how to get out fast. Check your state's emergency website, most have free maps showing evacuation zones. Practice a quick exit with your family or roommates, and pick a meetup spot outside your neighborhood. In 2025, with climate weirdness on the rise, being ready to roll could save your life. Number 5. Stockpile smart, not crazy. You don't need a bunker, just a little foresight. Grab extra canned food, batteries, and meds when they're on sale. Rotate them into your regular use so nothing expires. Americans waste tons of food anyway, so why not make it work for you? Start small, a week's worth of supplies, then build up. It's practical, not paranoid. There you have it, 5 prepping tips to keep you ready for 2025, no matter where you are in the USA. Which tip are you starting with? Drop it in the comments, and if you liked this, smash that like button and subscribe for more survival hacks. We're all in this together, so let's prep smart and stay safe. See you in the next one. Hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in.